Hello. The purpose of this screencast is to explain my design choices for an infographic on the top 10 safest places to travel. First, I chose a focal point. A focal point is the main thing on the page that makes the viewer say, "Aha!" In this infographic, the focal point is the list of the top 10 safest countries. I chose this as my focal point because it is the main idea of interest. I achieved this by centering it on the page, as well as using a bigger, bolder font with enough spacing to enable the viewer to easily read and comprehend at a glance. At the top of the infographic, in the title area, I applied the principle of figure and ground. Figure and ground allows the eye to differentiate an object from the surroundings. The map at the top is catchy and only uses two colors. Notice the background is lighter than the continents, which creates a silhouette effect. The continents are the figure, while the surrounding is the ground. This gives nice contrast that looks clean and professional without leaving the page boring or noisy. The image of the map also uses closure. Closure is the principle of filling in missing space when a figure is incomplete. The edges fade away, which leaves the picture incomplete. However, we don't see it that way because we fill in the missing edges of the continents. The fade away on the image makes the title area look smooth rather than choppy or distracting. To help accentuate the left to right, bottom to top path through the infographic, I used a two-color gradient, which fades from darker brown at the top to light brown at the bottom. This leads me to my color choices. I chose two main colors, brown and tan, for my theme. I chose these two colors because they follow the principle of effective contrast. Effective contrast is using the same color with different values. These colors look nice together and give a professional look. In addition, they are not aggressive colors. This infographic is about peaceful countries. Therefore, I wanted to avoid bold or neon colors such as red or yellow. I chose black as a third color and used it only for accent. I used it in the title, along with a big bold font in order to catch the viewer's eye right away so they automatically know what the infographic will feature. I put the graph as one of the last things on the page because it is for viewers with additional interests. The graph breaks down the critical information further, but it is not needed to comprehend what the top 10 most peaceful countries are. I let the background of the graph remain the same as the infographic itself because it kept the page looking smooth. When other background colors were used, the graph looked misplaced. The colors for the bars were chosen according to the shades of brown color scheme in order to follow the principle of similarity. Similarity shows how objects or information on a page are related by giving them similar characteristics. If the graph featured separate colors, this would give the graph a misplaced look. If there are any unanswered questions, please contact me. Thank you for your interest in my design choices.